Saw a big ass turkey vulture. I caught a little picture of him.
Oh, hell nah, bro. You saw one of them big, nasty-ass turkey vultures outside? Fuck that. I don't fuck with them birds at all, nigga. Keep that shit away from me.
Bro, what do you have against a turkey vulture, bro?
Nigga, them turkey vultures some soulless-ass creatures. They look like they ain't got no life in their eyes, just flying around looking for dead shit to eat. You wouldn't believe the freaky shit that they get down to. I once saw a turkey vulture letting another vulture fuck him in the ass on top of a dead
What?
Yeah, nigga. That's why I don't fuck with them nasty-ass birds. They out here having orgies on top of roadkill like it's normal. Sick-ass creatures.
Bro, what just happened to your voice, bro? Are you getting hacked right now?
Nigga, I'm lagging because of this fucking iPhone 13. The fuck you expect me to do with this old-ass shit, bro?
Got 2 fucking terabytes of memory.
Nigga, I don't give a fuck about no 2 terabytes. This bitch still laggy as fuck.